Hi, Alejandra and Katie. I am looking at both of your pieces and I appreciate them both for different reasons. I like that you kept the canvas size and everything the same here, except for the border you played around with brushes. You probably want to swap that out into your own picture. You're going to get tired of looking at that guy pretty quickly. And Katie, I like that you were bold and experimented with the width and your own photos and so forth. This could become a problem because there's going to be a bouncing menu that comes in. A lot of students sort of tweak what he had. But if you feel bold and you're confident in Adobe Animate, go ahead and do it your own way. But one thing I do recommend is that you always name the layers. You'll see that these might get very long and it's just easier doing yourself a favor by naming the layers right away. Anyway, good start for both of you. I like them both for different reasons. Bye-bye.